Hello friends, welcome to CSS tutorial. In the last video we talked about the text alignment as well as color. Now we will see how to align the text with the image. Here in the left side picture you are seeing an image and how text is aligning with that image. Right, so that's what we are going to see here in this video. We will align image to the text using the vertical align CSS property. So the property is vertical align, tells how an element align with another element. So this is especially useful when aligning a text with an image. In this video, we will use top, bottom, middle values for this vertical align and see how the image and text aligning together. So let's go to the demo, and if you see, this is how we have to use this property. Vertical align is the CSS property and this is the value we are giving to it. And the acceptable values are top, bottom and middle. Now let's go to the demo. So first we will prepare an image. For that we will use MS Paint. So we will go ahead and set the size for the image. So here we will go to image property. Unit is in pixel. Let's leave that. Width is, let's give 200 pixel, and height some 35 pixel height. Okay, so this is how the image looks. 100% right. And we can even give some more size, or it is good to visually see and adjust it. Alright, now we will add the text. Okay, this will do it. So I'm just sizing the window so that we can clearly see the text align. If there is a big gap, then it may be somewhat tough to see how the example is working. So for now, let me keep it here in temp. Test image. Let's go to C temp. So copied the image from C temp. It's in clipboard now because we saved that right in C temp, so I copied that. Now let's go to reveal in file explorer. This is our images folder and paste it here. So these images we used when we learned about image scroll, right? Alright, now we have test image. Now we are ready to go. We will create our 015 example. New. No, I don't want to create it in images folder. CSS folder I want to create. New 015. Vertical align.html. So now we can create the HTML, and if you see in the HTML we are having a paragraph, and this is the paragraph text. This is a test paragraph with some image in between, and we use image tag, and which is a child of the paragraph tag. So now our paragraph displays text as well as image, and the image is available with src images folder test.img. So we already copied that here, right? In the images folder we have test image. So this is the content of the test image. All right, now let us save it so that the browser window will display it, and it is still refreshing the page every 2 seconds. So all we have to do is we have to save the content. So test img, what is the name we give here? Test image. imag, so that's a spell mistake. Now if I save, you can see this is a test paragraph with test image in between. Now the paragraph is displaying the image in between, and we will see how to perform vertical align of the text. So the vertical align property, we will set it to the image. That's why we set a class alias for the image class equal to txt align. Now we will go to our style and define the style for txt align. So here if you see, we just specified .txt align. That means any tag that contains the class txt align will get this rule. So the rule what we define here is vertical align top. So the image class defines the class txt align, right? Txt align is here. Paragraph is not defining it, image only defining it. Image class equal to text align, and since this class is there, the rule will be applied. Vertical align is top. if you see what happened, the text is gone on top of the image. So let me remove this to know the default. Save. And if you see, the paragraph is here and it's towards the bottom of the image. The moment I keep txt align top, the paragraph will move towards the top of the image. I'm saving it, and if you see, this is the image. On top of the image, the text is aligned. So that is top. And if you use bottom, the text will go towards the bottom. We already saw that. And we can use middle also. And when we save, you can see now the text is aligning towards the middle of the image. So here in this simple example, if you see, aligning the text towards the middle of the image looks good, right? So now text and images are displayed together, and the middle vertical align suits well for this example. That's all here in this video. Just now you saw the demo. Thank you for watching. Bye.